pequeño artista. Soy Mariana Olson y hoy vamos a dibujar un personaje muy simpático, Baby Yoda. ¿Están listos? Empecemos. Okay, let's start in the middle of the paper and we're gonna do a curvy line just like this. Now I'm leaving a little space right here and then I'm doing another line, a little space, and now I'm doing a curved line. Now let's continue with the eyes. And for that I'm doing two lines that are gonna look like this, just two curvy lines, and then we're gonna do a letter U, upside down letter U on top of that. And here I'm doing two little circles. That's gonna be the shine of the eye, and we're gonna fill this around with black. Let's fill the other one. And now I'm gonna continue here with the eyebrows, just two little lines. The nose is really tiny and tiny smile. Now let's continue with the ears. These ones are just triangles. They go up and now go down. And let's do one more inside, the same shape. Let's do the other side. This curvy line, and then from here I'm just gonna do a little line, and I'm gonna stop right there because I'm gonna continue first with the neck and the hand. So here I did a curvy line, now another one, and a diagonal line down, and from here I'm going a little bit over the first lines, you see, going over. Now this is a little curvy line right here, one more, and then we close it. Now let's go down and then go right and then diagonal line for closing. I want to continue here with the sleeve of his coat that he's wearing. So curvy lines and then we close it right here. And now let's do the finger. So the finger is just kind of like two triangles, kind of like a letter M and another one inside. And let's close here the ear, and now I'm doing one more inside. When I continue here with the coat, so let's go down a little bit. I'm doing the other sleeve, and this is the first and second finger, and let's do one curvy on top. Now we're gonna do the capsule that he's traveling on. So let's close here his sleeve, and now we're gonna do down here kind of like a oval shape, just like this, and then we're gonna close that oval shape on the first line I did. Now let's do one more line, goes to right, and then we're gonna close here with a curve, a little bit curvy. Now I wanna do a half a circle down here. So let's start from this point and going this way, and then we close it. Okay, now I'm gonna do the top part. So the top part is gonna go like this, two lines, and we're gonna go all the way around. Okay, so let's continue with this one. It goes in behind and it closes in a point. Now from this point, I'm going down. And let's do one more really close to the one I did first, like this. And here, just a little piece. And that's it, we finished. And now my favorite part, let's color. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.